Hi everyone, and welcome to our next class. Today we will be making a construction paper turkey. You will need your construction paper, googly eyes, a glue stick, scissors, a pencil, and a black marker. Start by picking 5 different colors of construction paper and 1 for your body. I chose black. Now move these off to the side and only pick up your body color paper. Using your pencil, you want to draw a snowman or squash-shaped body. Now taking your black marker, trace this outline so you can see it better. Next, take your scissors and cut along the black marker line. Now move the body to the side and grab all 5 sheets of your construction paper. First, you want to fold one color in half, and along the edge that you folded, draw out a mountain shape. Then cut it out with your scissors and unfold it. Now that you have a feather, use this as a guideline to create more. You should have 2 feathers in each color of paper that you chose. Now move your feathers off to the side and grab a piece of scrap red and orange construction paper. We'll be using this to create a beak and also the red gobble of the turkey. Taking your pencil, draw out a triangle shape and cut that out with scissors. Next, with your pencil, draw out a squiggly shape and cut that out with your scissors. Now move the scraps to the side and start rearranging your feathers behind the body. Don't forget to put 2 googly eyes. Once you have the perfect layout, you can begin to glue. Take the eyes and the beak off the body, flip your body upside down, take your glue stick, and one by one, glue the corner of each of the leaves down. Don't forget to fold each feather in half to create a line down the middle. Once you're finished gluing all the feathers to the back of your turkey, flip it over and glue the red gobble first, the beak second, and the eyes third. You can also choose to cut 2 half spheres to glue on as feet. Once you're done, grab your markers, and on each feather you can write something that you're thankful for. I chose to include family, friends, art, education, health, my home, my dog, Now that the craft is finally complete, don't forget to turn it over and sign your name and date on the back.